we're gonna talk about chicken curry that we're gonna do today. So the main ingredients are chicken. So we use chicken thighs, and for vegetables we use also potatoes, onion and carrots. So whatever you have on hand, for example the potatoes, you can use the Idaho or sweet potatoes, whatever you have. There are many kinds of potatoes, so I have the two Idaho, so I use two, and then one sweet potatoes and onion, carrots. So, and for the seasoning we use fish sauce, palm sugar, and also we're going to use in the curry normally is the coconut milk. So, and then we already made the yellow curry paste at bay, and I'm gonna show you how I chop the potatoes and other ingredients. Okay, now I already peeled all the vegetables, so gonna start cutting. Not too big or too small, because when it comes with the sizes, because we're gonna chop it very, if it's too small, it's gonna, you know, when we warm it in the next day, it's gonna be like that, just in the pieces like that. Cut in 4 pieces like that. And put in the water, so to prevent it from dry and brown. Do like that. And also the sweet potato gonna be the same as well. Just chop it. And then remove some kind of things that from the skin, and we're gonna chop in the chunk. Quarter like that. And then for the carrot, gonna do the same, so you can cut like that. A little bit big chunks, that's okay, because I don't want the vegetable to cook faster, so you can do in half like that. Carrot. So now I'm finished with that, and also just onions. I gonna peel and then doing the same slice onion. Okay, I already peeled the onions, and just use one onion and remove already shells out, and also cut like a star, you know, into pieces, but not gonna be spread together, because at the ends normally, so we want to fill it onions in there, but sometimes the big chunks of the onions in the curry, so that's why I create like that, so you can spread it like that to create like some kind of flour into your curry. A little bit, they will be open when it's gonna be cooked. It's like a fry thing like that, but we're not frying, so it's gonna be like that. Like I create the flowers, onion flour, and then gonna start making chicken curry. Now after the coconut milk become bubbles like this, we're gonna add the curry paste. And stir together to combine. When the curry paste is kind of mixed with the coconut milk, and then we're gonna add the chicken in. And let chicken cook. Smells so good when we made the homemade. The curry paste smells very good. I'm gonna let chicken cook, and then we're gonna transfer it to the soup pot, okay? In this process, if it's very dry because we didn't use the vegetable oil at all, use a little bit of the coconut milk to add into the chicken, because as we frying, we need some kind of liquid to add into that, and let it cook in the paste. At this process, when the chicken already cooked, I'm gonna transfer to the soup pot, okay? Everything in here. And when you see this thing, so we can rinse it up like that. Just rinse it and pour into the pot, okay? Because this goodness of the paste, everything is in here, so we bring that like that, and we're gonna start adding vegetables. Okay, now I'm gonna add the rest of the coconut milk, okay? So we use just only 1 can of coconut milk. And then also after traditional ways that my grandma showed me, mean after we pound the curry paste in here in mortar, so we rinse up with the water. So I add just only water in here and just pour in, because it's still a lot of paste in the mortar. So we rinse the mortar and add into the curry. And then we're gonna add first the potato in here, potato and carrots. is easy to cook, so we're gonna add just the potato and carrot. And the level of water just cover the vegetable, that's all. And we wait until become the simmer, and then after it's cooked, we're gonna add before a little bit around 5 to 10 minutes, and you shake that if it's the halfway done, so we're gonna add an onions. Right now I'm gonna use the bay leaf, so add just 3 bay leaf in here, and add onions in here too, and also we're gonna do the season it with the fish sauce, and also palm sugar. If you don't have the palm sugar, you can use the regular one, the granulated sugar or the brown sugar. A little bit of sugar because we have onion and carrot, so it's gonna create sweetness of that curry. And I'm gonna let them cook until onions, everything is combined together, and that's it. And then we're gonna taste and adjust the seasoning. Right now I'm doing the achar. That's what we call when we do the cucumber relish that we're gonna eat with the chicken curry. I add vinegar, the white one, and sugar and salt in here and stir it until dissolve. And then we're gonna pour it into the cucumber relish. Let me show you. I just slice the cucumber, just thinly slices like that, and add it into the bowl, and we're gonna make the cucumber relish. Okay, like that. And then as you have a shallot, you can slice a little bit of shallot, and then just press on top, sprinkle on top, and then slice few slices of the chilies. And then pour in the vinegar mixture with the salt and sugar. Okay, like that. And we're gonna do add the cilantro for garnish. Like that. Here you have the cucumber relish. Let me show you the finish, the set of the chicken curry this way so you can make as a chicken or you can add beef, vegetables, whatever you have, but main ingredients are the potatoes, any kind of potatoes you like, and also onions, and the secret ingredients or the very important one is the homemade curry paste. Okay, it smells so good, and we have to eat with the cucumber relish. Okay, serve with rice, so that way. And I think we include everything, or you can serve it with the also boiled eggs as well. Hope you enjoy chicken curry, or you can make as a vegan as well, and we'll see you in the next Thai meals. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ